Google Business Profile Chat is coming back, but this time with a little bit of a twist. So this new feature is being rolled out slowly. Who knows how long it's going to take before it's fully rolled out, but you should now see a new option in your Google Business Profile settings. Let's walk through it and show you how exactly to set it up and what it looks like. So here's the help article from Google Business Profile Help from the support desk. So you could chat with customers from your business profile. You can either use text message or WhatsApp to answer questions, tell your story, attract more customers. That's what they're saying anyways. So this is important to note. Chat options are currently available for select regions and may not be available for your business profile. Businesses with a claimed and verified business profile can add a WhatsApp or text messaging option. And so this is exactly how you do that here. So I'll show you exactly what that looks like. This is asking here some FAQs. Can you add the same WhatsApp URL to multiple business profiles? Yes. So if you are managing multiple profiles and you want one WhatsApp link, you can do that. Personally, I don't use WhatsApp, so it doesn't really apply to me. And then there are no performance metrics for chat option available at this time. Now, something that we don't know quite about is how this is being handled, because I have yet to see an example of the customer going to the Google Business Profile and clicking chat and then it opening a text thread. So I have no idea what that looks like. Does it look like opening up the text messaging app on their phone? So if they're on iPhone, does it open up the Messages app on their phone? I don't know what it looks like. Is it contained in the Google Business Profile? I don't think so. I think that this is Google's response to removing the Google Business Chat back in summer of 2024. And they want to offload it so that they're not having to have space on their servers and their database. It's less for them to manage. But I have yet to see how it actually goes into effect. And the other thing to think about is as far as A2P registration, A2P guidelines, which is called application to peer. So if you're a business texting a customer, there are some certain rules and guidelines. And typically, that means that you, by the book, have to have a customer text the word start or text a certain keyword in order to start receiving text messages from you, especially if you're going to want to set up some automated texting. So that way, if you're in the middle of a job, you want to be able to have the text message replied to right away so that they're not waiting for you to reply to them. So we'll see. I hope that they integrate some options there so that you can customize what that looks like. It may be that maybe there's a specific phrase that Google's going to include in the text message. We have yet to see this. So I'm kind of, waiting to see what this actually looks like. I keep updating the Google Maps app on my phone, hoping that I'll be able to see what this looks like on the end user's device, but I have yet to see that. But let's talk about how you can add this text message option. So if you go to your Google Business Profile, which if you are logged in to the profile that you have access to, and you just, of course, this is frozen right now, type in your business name or type in my business, and that should pop up here. And then you want to click on Edit Profile. And then once you're on the Edit Profile, you want to scroll down here till it says Chat. And then you can click that Learn More, and that takes you to the help article we were just referencing. And then you can select text message or WhatsApp. And so I'm going to select text message, and in my case, the phone number is exactly the same. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. 358767. If you have any questions about Google Business Profile, anything like that, you could feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call with this number here. So I'm going to hit save, and then that is going to say it's pending, and you can see it has the URL style link. So this is actually like if you're doing HTML and you were adding a link that you wanted the link to be pressed and open up the text messaging app, that's what's happening here. So it's SMS semicolon +1 and then the phone number. So again, when you're on the customer's end, you don't see anything here yet. So it seems like they're kind of slowly rolling this out. I'd be curious in comments below. Let me know if you're seeing this feature and where you're at in the world. Maybe we can kind of get an idea of what this looks like. If you have seen it on the end of the customer in Google Maps, I would also love to know what that looks like.